So it started to snow today in Liverpool. So you can see it there. It's me there. I mean, I can show you the back of the house. So you can see there a little bit into the yard there, down there. So yeah, so I say it started to snow in Liverpool today, and I found it quite good when I went out to go to university this morning about 8 o'clock, and there's quite a bit on the road, and then sort of in the mid-morning there's a big massive shower of it, and it covered all of the main campus, and I sort of walked around, and it was quite nice really, because I do like snow, because I like how, you know, when it's deep enough and you step in it and it crunches, and I do sort of like that sound of your feet, the snow crunching under your feet as you walk, but also it makes it look quite pretty really. I mean, obviously living in a city, we've got loads of concrete and all that stuff, you know, it kind of brightens it up a little bit. And then when you have, obviously, because it's associated with like Christmas, which is really good. I mean, obviously, no, it's not Christmas, but you know, it's good when if you do have a Christmas and a white Christmas as well. And then obviously, you know, I think because I like those images, you know, from like the 1950s or something, where all the snow is everywhere, you know, it's all over the place, everyone just plays and throws snowballs and does sledging. Because I don't really like, I mean, I know it has to be done for health and safety reasons, but you know, when people like try and clear it up, or you know, they get all the salt down, I think it is, that, you know, they put on the ground, and you know, I mean, I understand all that, why they do it. It's just, you know, I like a little bit of snow just for a while, you know, like they used to, but yeah, so it started snowing. I mean, I know it's going to get icy and stuff like that, and I don't like icy and when it gets sludgy and stuff like that, but hopefully, you know, it might snow a bit more, because it's quite nice really, you know, seeing the whiteness really.